How did you know?
Because we make sure there are no loopholes for them to see through. And then we tell them that when someone is HIV, how to tell. What are the myths that you know or you've heard of about HIV? Then they get to name those myths, then we dismiss them, of course, as myths. Then we bring upon the point that the only way to find out that someone is HIV is by going for an HIV test. Because there are some diseases that can make someone think, or there are
Can we
a lot
tell
of
by looking if
symptoms,
someone is HIV positive? No, we cannot tell by looking if someone is HIV positive. How do you know one's HIV status? How do you know one HIV status? By going for HIV testing what? Together. Oh, by status. You can never tell by what? By looking if someone is HIV positive. Right. What are some of the myths you have heard about the way HIV positive people look? Iwapi amanye amamisa yesiwezi ukuthi umuntu olegciwane le-HIV ukhangeleka njani? Yes, Kelly? Yes. So they've got masks on their legs. Omunye ke? But they've got red lips. Yes, dear. Sorry? Brownish hair. Skin changes color to black. Long coughing and now and again, we are tested.